thing that stands out about Miss Holben is the exact same thing that stood out in her interview. Her energy, her positive energy is just infectious, and it came across moments into her interview. We knew she was the right fit for us, and then it continues every single day. She inspires everyone around her to just be joyful and work hard.
You know, I can't think of one word to describe Miss Holben. I can think of three at least. She is so bright. Her whole classroom and personality is bright and shiny, and you just want to be around her, and it's truly inspirational. I think inspirational is the other word. She makes everybody want to do better. Her students, her colleagues, everyone wants to be better because of her inspiration. And then she's also exceptional. Everything she does, she is an exceptional math teacher.
What I like about Miss Holben as a teacher is her method of teaching and how the way that she connects with the students when she teaches at the same time. She really makes us understand what concepts that we're learning in class, and I think that's very helpful as a teacher.
Miss Holben makes teaching really fun, and she explains concepts in a way where everyone understands, and she makes it more engaging to where we get to stand up and we get to do activities around the concepts that we're learning that help us engage.
Miss Holben, my message for you is very simple, and that is Cobb is a much better place with you here, and we are so proud that you're a part of our Cobb family and part of Team Monarca as well.